Welcome back. I meant to upload this video a little sooner, so I picked these fruit off this fast flowering Trifoliate, aka Precocious Poncirus, because we're going to get deep freezing and I didn't want the fruit to get damaged. So they're coming off pretty easily here, except for this green one. These other ones bloom in the summer. So this variety starts flowering from seed at about a year old, and it took about 2 to 3 years for it to hold fruit. The previous plant is on its own root, and this one is a graft to standard Trifoliate. So what are the benefits of this variety? You can use the fruit as a golf ball or a stress ball, how I'm rolling it in my hand. Just kidding. There's different uses for this. If you are interested in crossbreeding, you can use the pollen from the flowers after just 1 year. It also blooms multiple times, which will provide fresh pollen in case your other citrus is blooming. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can eat the fruit. It's not that bad. I also picked these maypop times edulis or incarnata times edulis. I did these crosses in reverse and didn't have any success, but this single maypop vine doesn't set fruit that easily. And these all set after I used the edulis pollen. So fingers crossed we have a hybrid. We'll keep you updated. Bye.